Hi guys! For today's lesson, what I want to do is go over some of the practice problems from yesterday. And then I want to take the strategy that we learned yesterday for comparing fractions using a common denominator and see how we can tweak that strategy to make it more efficient. So while that strategy we learned yesterday helped you solve the problems accurately, it also takes a bit of time to do, so let's figure out a way to tweak the strategy to make it more efficient. So let's start with one of the problems we had yesterday, which is comparing 5/6 with 7/8. Okay, so how we solved this for homework yesterday using the strategy was we first needed to come up with a common denominator, right? 6/8, right? And when we multiply 6 times 8, we get 48. And now we have to figure out what to put on our numerator. So how did I get 48? I did 6 times 8. And so if I do 6 times 8, then I need to do 8 times 5, which equals 40. Okay. Now let's do the same on the other side. How did I get from 8 to 48? I did 6 times 8. So if I do 6 times 8, then I need to do 6 times 7. Which gets me to 42. Now this makes it much easier to compare the fractions. 40 over 48 versus 42 over 48. Which one's bigger? 42 over 48. So that also means that 5/6 is less than 7/8, right? So this strategy helped us solve the problem accurately. But as you can see, it's taking us some time to solve the problem. So let's see how we can tweak the strategy to make it more efficient. So to help us make the strategy more efficient, we are going to learn how to cross multiply today. I'd like you to watch the video in the link, and that video is going to show you how to cross multiply, and it's going to make it much easier and much more efficient. It's going to be a much more efficient way for you to compare fractions. So go ahead and watch that video. You can pause it and rewatch it as many times as you like, and after you watch the video, you can work on the worksheet. Again, the worksheet that goes with this lesson, you can either print it out and do it by hand. If you do that, please take a picture of it and email it to me, or you can just transfer your answers to the Google Doc and send it through Google Classroom. So if you have any questions, please let me know, and I'm here to help you. Good luck.